in PLC Smart tip video. In this video we show how to show tag information inside your PLC network. So for example, we have the network number 3 motor, where we have the function block motor and some coil etc. When you want to see some comment on your tags, you want to go over the variable and the tag, and then you see the address, data type, and the comment for this variable. For this variable is comment start motor of conveyor, and for example for the state of the motor is the comment state of motor for 1 is turn it on and for 0 is turn it off. Also, there is a more easy way how to see the comments for the variables in your network. You just go here to the toolbox, click on the show the tag information, and then click on the show tag information. And now how you can see the name of the variable, address of this variable, and also comment for this variable or information to this variable, which are used in your network. Same for example for the network number 7, where you can see also the name of the variable and the address of this variable and the comment or information for this tag if is defined. How you can see here for DB6 variables we don't see the address, and here for the DB4 signal motor off we see the address. This is because DB6 variable have optimized block access, so you don't see the address of this variable, only the symbolic name, and DB4 signals don't have optimized block access. Okay, so this is very easy when you want to see all the comments or information for your tags which you use in the networks of your PLC software. It's more easy than still go over the variable and wait to showing the comment for this tag etc. Okay, so this is for this video all, where you see how to show the information of your tags in your network of your PLC software. So thank you for watching this video and goodbye.